Look, this is what I get. The capsule's in here. It's full of water. Well, not full, but enough water. And this is all that it drips. And when I took the other capsule out, it had exploded. And I have to use this in order for it to like grab the rest of the whatever's left in here, because as soon as I open it to take the capsule out, it's full of water in here. And I'll show you here in just a minute. This is all I'm getting. Honestly, I don't know what it's doing. And I've already tried resetting it. I disconnected. I did the whole thing. I don't know what else I can do. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna turn off the video because it takes way too long for it to brew. And this video is gonna be too long to upload to your website. As you can see, it says add water. There are no power buttons, and there is a full tank of water. So, I don't know. I don't know what to do with this.